Hi everyone. Well, I'll start here. Thought I'd show you around a little bit. Take you out to my container garden. These are another 6 tomatoes that I got, and I got 12 pepper plants, a couple strawberries. Gonna put some straw mulch on top here later on today too. But let's head out to the container garden. Schultz is busy with the soup bone, so probably won't see him. It's a nice day, a little bit breezy, but not too bad. Take what I can get. You see all that attention, yellow tape? That's moose prevention. So far it's working. I have other options too. I heard of wolf urine, something like that. They don't like either. So here's my tank for my for the water. About half full right now, but fill it up after. And I'm gonna tie in this jet pump after, because I think I need more pressure. I got that little one there right now. It works not bad, but I need a little more with all these emitters. Oh yeah, this is electric fence too. I need to be careful that I shut the damn thing off when I'm walking over it. Anyways, these are all my Canadian Tire bales. These are all onions, bunching onions on this side, and big yellow ones on this side. Over here, I don't know if you can see it. Maybe this one. Yeah, there's some beets in here. Beets are coming up, finally. I got beans in that pail, but nothing yet. Potatoes though, these ones are planted a little bit later, so that's why they're smaller. But yeah, they're rocking pretty good. As soon as these grow a little bit higher out of the pail, I'll top them off with some more dirt, lift the emitters. I put all this landscape matting down. Lost Art's not going to weed this year. Hell with that bullshit. Once this is all set up, this will be my permanent garden. Drilled holes in all these pails, and then I added branches and stuff from my yard. I have lots of trees, as you can tell. No shortage. I got organic soil over here. There's manure and compost mixed in, along with some Gaia Green amendments. And here's the carrots. They just started coming up. I got some garlic chives coming up here. And well, I planted some garlic here. I'm gonna give them some water here today. Some look okay, some not. These are some extra onions I planted too. Lettuce is in here. I have to change these emitters out. They pound into the soil straight down too much. I don't like it. I'll put the blue ones on. Here's all my pumping line. I got valves on each row all the way down. Everything's dead ended. Here's all my supplies. those staples are a must. Yeah, and that's about it. Next time I'll show you the whole thing when she's up running. Peppers planted, beans up, everything. Peace out.